have been wanting to record more videos from the comfort of my desk, but I feel like there's always just too much going on in my bedroom that it doesn't really look nice. So I got some inspiration from a video online to make kind of a little background out of cardboard. I was inspired by a video I saw online of someone that took 3 long pieces of cardboard, taped them lengthwise to look like a trifold. I didn't have that, so I went to the store and bought 2 trifolds already and taped them in the middle. And I've got some contact paper, this nice like fake looking wood I'll put up, and hopefully make a good video background. We'll see how it goes. So when lining up the next strip of paper here, I really focused on matching up the pattern at the top since it won't matter as much at the bottom. And so pretty much to do that, I'm going to peel off the tape. Okay, so I'm doing my best. Yeah, that looks really good to line up the pattern here and keep out the air bubbles. And to now put my knees on it, and I'm just going to pull the paper here and keep out the air bubbles like this. It's actually not too hard once you get started. But my paper is starting to gap right here.
There you go.
So what I'm doing is I'm pulling the peel and stick underneath here and smoothing out the air bubbles. And instead of trying to line up those 2 pieces like this, we did more overlap. I hope it looks okay. Like, it looks good on the first row, and then the rest of the rows don't look perfect. But the nice thing about using contact paper to do all this, it's really easy to peel right off if you need to restick it, or if we want a different background later. Alright, so we are left with 2 pieces of paper here, and we have 1 strip left to go. But if we fold these in half, they will fit this way, and even if we don't get the very bottom corner, I think it's going to look really good.
Final piece going in place. Gotta kind of.
It really is a 2-person job.
Yep.
But I let Brian do the bottom because no one will see it.
Yes.
And we're left.
Still look nice.
We're left with that little empty square, but that should be totally fine.
I got the last creases out of it.
Alright, so we have finished. I hope it looks good here on camera. Let me know what you think. I think it's a very easy photo backdrop for any sitting or standing position. And here is my finished background in all its glory. So it does get scooched very close to the chair, but I think it gives me a nice homey background. I liked the different textures of this wood-looking contact paper. And I'm very excited to try it out in some future videos.
So this is the backdrop with the webcam setup, and I'm in a log cabin, y'all.
Well, I certainly like it better than seeing my messy bedroom, so I guess it's a win.